Hello guys, so welcome back to the SQL section of Data Engineering with Animesh, and we are going to solve our 12th question in the SQL series. So now let us go directly to the question. And the question is immediate food delivery second. So there's only one table in this question, which is a delivery table, and it has four columns: delivery ID, customer ID, order date, and customer preference delivery date. So delivery ID is the column of unique value of this table. The table hold information about food delivery to customer that make orders at some date and specify a preferred delivery date. So basically it is similar to as you shop on Amazon. You order on a particular date and you then select the delivery date. Either you want an immediate delivery or you want to delay the delivery. Likewise. Okay. If the customer's preferred delivery date is the same as the order date, suppose if I ordered today and my preferred delivery date is also today, then the order is called immediate. Otherwise, it is called scheduled. Okay. The first order of a customer is the order with the earliest order date that the customer has made. So this is simple means the first order means suppose a customer has made 10 orders, but the order which will have the earliest order date. Okay, suppose I ordered on first of month, then second, third, fourth, fifth. Then the first of month would be considered as the earliest order date. Okay, write a solution to find the percentage of immediate orders in the first orders of all customers rounded to two decimal places. So basically, we have to find out the total number of or the percentage of immediate orders in the first order of all the customers. Means we will take into account a complete table at once, see how many the number of first orders and the number of first orders which have the delivery date as immediate, and then we have to calculate the percentage. Means the orders with delivery date is equal to immediate divided by the total orders into 100, whatever the percentage formula is, and just you have to see that it should be the first order for all the customers, right? So see, simple, this is the table and you can see the customer ID has a first order with delivery ID 1. So there are two entries for one with delivery ID 3 and one with delivery ID 1, and the see the delivery ID 1 has the earliest order date, but the preference delivery date is not immediate, hence it is called scheduled. Similarly, for customer ID 2 has first order with delivery ID 2 and it is called immediate. The customer 3 has a first order with delivery ID 5. Sorry. Is 5. And it is called scheduled. The customer ID 4 has first order with delivery ID 7 and it is called immediate. Hence, half of the customer has immediate first order. So, immediate percentage is 50. Okay, so I hope you have understood the question. Just you have to say two things. First, when is the first order date of particular customer? Second, if the first order date is same as a delivery date. If it is same as a delivery date, then keep on adding 1, else keep on adding 0, and then divide by the total number of customers. Because every customer would have some or the other first order date, and then in 200, and you will get the answer. Round it to two decimal places, that is simple. Now, if you see the entry table, it is a bit confusing. By the confusing, I mean how you would find the first order date, right? So if you keep on adding an case statement any without making this table smaller or making this table favorable to you, you will be confused in the long run. So what I will do is first I will make a table from this table. Means I will extract a table which will only have delivery ID, customer ID, and their first order date only. I don't want any other entries. मुझे कुछ और नहीं चाहिए, मुझे बस एक डिलीवरी आईडी चाहिए, कस्टमर आईडी चाहिए, उसकी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेट वाली एंट्री चाहिए और फिर उसी के करस्पॉन्डिंग कस्टमर प्रेफरेंस डिलीवरी डेट चाहिए. So this is the first thought that came to my mind. So I will work on this. Okay, now let us first form a using a subquery will form a table, and from that table then we will calculate the final result. Okay, So here I would be using window function, and the window function that I would be using would be rank. So what rank does, it inside a particular partition, it gives ranks according to the column that you have selected. And according to this you can select which ranked column you want. हम एक रैंक दे देंगे सबको ऑर्डर डेट पे, जैसे द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेट को हम रैंक वन देंगे और सेकंड ऑर्डर डेट को सेकंड देन थर्ड, एंड हर ग्रुप का और हर पार्टीशन का फर्स्ट रैंक वाला एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे जो हमारी स्मॉलर टेबल बन जाएगी. अब वो कैसे करेंगे, लेट्स सी. सेलेक्ट डिलीवरी आईडी कॉमा कस्टमर आईडी, सारे कॉलम लेने हैं हमें. Okay, we will be selecting all the columns, then order date and customer. If you want to read about how rank works in a very means what comprehensive way, you can search any W3 school or what you say Geeks for Geeks page. I will try to put that in description box as well, so you will get a complete idea how rank works. Okay, now see the syntax is rank is the name of the function. Over is a clause which is always used with each and every window function. The window functions like row number, rank, dense rank, lag, lead. So these are the window function. What by window I mean, it takes a group of lines in account to calculate something. So over and see. Now we have to select partition by. How you want to divide this table? I want to divide on the customer ID, right? Because for every customer we have to find the first order date. So partition by customer ID. Now the table is partitioned into different customer ID. Customer ID 1 will have two entries, 2 will have two entries, 3 will have again two entries, 4 will have one entry, which is somewhat similar to group by. But now how we want to order it? I want to order it or I want to rank one, the earliest order date as 1, the second order date as 2. Likewise, so suppose if I ordered on 29/8/1 for customer ID 1, it should be ranked as 1, and this second date for 1, which is 29/8/11, should be ranked as 2. Okay, so just do an order by order date ascending. So this will now order it according to the order date and then rank. And if we select it as rank date, we have to give it an alias for this from our delivery. Okay, now let's see how this works. What output? Don't worry about the wrong answer, just go ahead. See, now you have a rank date. Okay, for customer ID 1, you have ranks like 1, 2. For 2, you have 1, 2. Okay, now you have to calculate only where the rank is 1. So just now you will have to use an upper table on this. You cannot filter in the same table. So select star, we have to let it call from this table where a dot rank date is equals to 1. Okay, where from where a came, because whenever you are using a subquery or you are extracting data from a subquery, you will have to give an alias to the subquery, and it can be anything. I have given a, so that defines that this column belongs to this subquery. So now see, this is my table. So there would be few times you have to prepare the table according to your ask or what you want. So see, now I have all the data with rank 1, and it will only have the first order date. You can I will pause for 5-6 seconds and you can just cross verify. Okay, see order date this, and it is here for 1, For 2 it is 2, for 3 it should be 21. Okay, so you understood. Now from this became my complete subquery. From here I will calculate my immediate percentage based using simple case statement. Case when order date is equals to customer preference delivery date, keep on adding 1, multiply it into 100 and divide by total count, right? Very simple. So see, here the confusion was creating the table to extract the data. Now this is a subquery. So as I told, give it an alias, any alias. I will give them AB. Now select case when AB dot order date is equals to AB dot. I will copy this column from here to save some time of yours. So these are medium ranked question. Okay, so they might take some time because these tend to be a bit confusing, so that you can expand your SQL skills. Okay, so don't worry, just keep on practicing, keep going through this video, and if you have any confusion, just drop in a comment and I will either upload a commented video or something to explain it to you further. I have no problem with it. Okay, so select case one, then one L0, and case always end with an end clause. Now we have to do sum because we have to keep the count, right, of how many times our order date was same as the delivery date. Now you have to do it into 100. That is what percentage formula is, and then you divide by with count star because you have to count the total count of the number of entries in the table. Now as what is the immediate percentage? Okay, immediate percentage, and from where you have to get all these columns from the below subquery. Okay, I will run this. Oh, round. I have not used round, but I believe you know how to use it. So it is accepted because I think there was no need uh, to the round for the example that is shown, but still, I will show that. So if anybody is watching this as their first video, they were okay. So round works like this. You have to add a round statement to enclose whatever you want to round, and after comma depends how many decimal values you want to handle. So here it in the question C it was mentioned round to two decimal places. Okay, so it is accepted. So basically, the what was the question was asking to extract the table first from the given table so that you can easily calculate the result. See, you might have gotten the result using some round case, a different type of case statement if else in the main query itself, but that would be confusing for me. So this is my approach, that I tend to make the data according to my convenience and then extract the result out of it. So it is very simple. See, only this can be confusing for you how rank works. So just quickly type rank SQL function and go through the rank. It is very rank, dense rank, row number, all are very similar to each other. Only the differences in the functionality. Syntax is same, how it works is same, how over clause is used is same, how order by is used is same, how partition is used is same. So only you have to find how this rank works, and according to rank, I have divided the table. So this question will clarify how you work with subquery, how you use alias for every subquery. And I hope you have understood this question. So keep practicing and I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.